Go. Good day, everyone. I'm Cristel Mar Sanchez from the University of Southern Philippines Foundation Graduate School. Today, I'll be presenting my study titled Applying Social Learning Theory to Improve Imitation Skills of Children with Disabilities at Arcata City Central Elementary School. This presentation will provide an overview of my research context, theoretical foundation, rationale, objectives, and overall significance. Learning is a complex process that goes beyond thinking. It also involves emotional, behavioral, and social aspects. For children with disabilities, imitation plays a crucial role in developing communication, social, and adaptive skills. However, many children with disabilities struggle with imitation, which affects their ability to engage and learn effectively. Albert Bandura's social learning theory provides a foundation for understanding how observation and modeling can help improve these imitation skills. Now, this study is guided by Albert Bandura's social learning theory, which emphasizes that learning happens by observing, imitating, and modeling the behavior of others. The four key processes attention, retention, reproduction, and motivation explain how individuals acquire and perform new behaviors. Bandura also introduced reciprocal determinism, meaning behavior, personal factors, and the environment all influence one another. In the context of special education, SLT promotes peer learning and helps build self efficacy or the belief in one's ability to succeed. This research was conducted or will be conducted at Arcata City Central Elementary School, which has a special education or SPED class for children with mixed disabilities. The school provides individualized instruction and inclusive learning opportunities. However, teachers face several challenges such as limited access to specialized materials, varied learning needs, and inconsistent imitation training. By using SLT principles such as modeling, peer observation, and reinforcement, this study aims to create structured strategies to improve imitation skills. This study is important because imitation is a foundation for learning, communication, and social participation. Theoretically, it expands the application of social learning theory within Philippine special education. Pedagogically, it gives teachers concrete SLT based strategies like modeling, role playing, and guided practice. And socially, it promotes inclusion and helps children with disabilities become more confident and independent members of the society. Despite its importance, imitation remains a challenge for many learners with disabilities. This study seeks to answer three main questions. First, how can social learning theory be applied to improve imitation skills? Second, which strategies such as modeling, peer observation, or video modeling are most effective? And third, how do these interventions affect learner behavior and teacher perceptions? The overall purpose is to design and evaluate an SLT based program that enhances imitation in SPED classrooms. The study focuses on the SPED class at Arqueta City Central Elementary School and includes learners with various developmental disabilities. It emphasizes imitation skills in daily routines, social behaviors, and basic academic activities. While results may not be generalizable to all SPED settings, the findings can provide valuable insights for teachers handling similar learners. The study also acknowledges limitations such as small sample size and differences in student responsiveness. In conclusion, applying social learning theory in SPED classrooms offers a promising approach to improving imitation and learning outcomes among children with disabilities. It empowers teachers with evidence based strategies and supports inclusive education practices. Ultimately, the study aims to help learners develop greater independence, confidence, and participation in both school and society. Thank you for listening. God bless us all.